Question number 1. The volume of a solid. The volume of a solid of mass 500 gram. Volume of a solid of mass 500 gram is 350 centimeter cube. 350 centimeter cube. The first part of this question, first part. What will be the density of this solid? What will be the density of this solid? What will be the density of this solid? Soumya, switch on camera. Second part. What will be the mass of water? What will be the mass of water displaced by this solid? Mass of water displaced by this solid. Third part. What will be the relative density of the solid? What will be the relative density of the solid? Last part. Will it float or sink in water? Will it float or sink in water? Will it float or sink in water? So first write on the given. The volume of a solid. What is the volume of solid? Write down. Volume of solid. Volume of solid is equal to 350 centimeter cube. Mass of solid. Mass of solid is equal to 500 gram. First part of the question. What is the first part of the question? What will be the density of the solid? Density is equal to mass by volume. Write down. Density of the solid. Density of the solid is equal to decimal. Mass of solid divided by volume of solid. What is mass? 500 divided by 350. Cancel. 5, 10, 7. That is equal to 10 divided by 7. That is equal to 1.4 22, 14, 2 gram per centimeter cube. Because a gram is a centimeter cube. A gram per centimeter cube. That is the volume of the solid. Next, you have to find what is the second part. Listen. According to the Archimedes principle, what is the Archimedes principle, Devakya? What is state Archimedes principle? State Archimedes principle. So write down the answer 10 times. Aditi, state Archimedes principle. Weight of the liquid displaced by the object. Weight of the liquid displaced by the object, or volume of the object displaced by the object. What is the volume of the object here? What is the volume of the solid? Then what is the volume of the water displaced? What is the volume of the solid? 350 centimeter cube. Then what is the volume of the water displaced? According to Archimedes principle, 350 centimeter cube. Both are equal. Both are equal. That is Archimedes principle. That is Archimedes principle. Right on. Volume of water displaced. Volume of water displaced is equal to 350 centimeter cube. And density of water. What is the density of water in gram per centimeter cube? Yes. Density of water is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube. We know the volume of water and density of water. We can find what? Mass of water displaced. Mass is equal to volume into density. Volume into density. A triangle draw करके दिखा दूँ मैं. Mass is equal to इधर आएगा density, इधर आएगा mass, इधर आएगा volume. So density is equal to mass by volume. Density is equal to mass by volume. Mass is equal to density into volume. Volume is equal to mass by density. So here you have to find mass. Right on. Mass of water displaced. Mass of water displaced is equal to volume of water displaced into density of water. And what is the volume of the water displaced? 350 into 1. So answer is 350 gram. So what is the mass of water displaced? 350 gram. That is the second part. Third part, very important question. Third part में क्या पूछा था? Relative density. What is the definition of relative density, Aradhya? What is the definition of relative density? What is the definition of relative density? The ratio of the density of the given substance to the density of the water. Here you have to find the relative density of solid. So density of the solid divided by density of water. That one. Relative density of solid is equal to relative density of solid is equal to density of solid divided by density of water. What is the density of solid? 1.42. ये तो पहले फाइन किया ना 1.42. Density of water 1. So answer is what is unit? No unit. Relative density has no unit. So 1.42. Fourth part. What is the fourth part of the question? Will it float or sink? What is the density of the water? 1 gram per centimeter cube. What is the volume of the what is the density of the solid? 1.42 gram per centimeter cube. So density of the object is more than that of the density of the water, so it will sink. The density of the solid is more than the density of solid. So it will sink It will sink in water. It will sink in water. It will sink in water. Next question, Rajun. Rajun. A cubical tub, 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 a cubical tub, a cubical tub of side 2 meter. A cubical tub of side 2 meter is full of water. A cubical tub of side 2 meter is full of water. Calculate the total thrust and pressure at the bottom of tank due to water. At the bottom of tank due to water. Due to water. Write in bracket G equal to 10 meter per second square. G equal to 10 meter per second square. Here, what is the shape of the tub? Cube. And what is the formula to find the volume of the cube? Side cube. Side cube. The first find the volume of the cube. Volume of cubical tub. Volume of cubical tub is equal to side cube. And what is the side? 2 cube. What is 2 cube? 8 meter cube. So volume of the cube aa gaya hamare paas. And this cube contains what? Water. Full of water. So volume of the water is also same. Now that is 2 meter cube. और क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट क्या पूछा था? क्वेश्चन में फर्स्ट क्या पूछा था? थ्रस्ट पूछा था. थ्रस्ट के लिए क्या फाइंड करना आपको? फोर्स. थ्रस्ट इज अ फोर्स. व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ थ्रस्ट? ईशान, व्हाट इज थ्रस्ट? The perpendicular force acting on a surface. Here the perpendicular force is what? Weight. Weight is also perpendicular. So हम क्या फाइंड करना? वेट ऑफ द वाटर फाइंड करना है. तो इसके लिए क्या चाहिए हमको? मास ऑफ द वाटर फाइंड करना है. हमारे पास वॉल्यूम है ना, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द टब है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ टब से वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर? सेम. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. वॉल्यूम of water is equal to volume of water is equal to volume of water is equal to 8 or density of water. ये मीटर है, मीटर क्यूब है. सो डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर कौन सा फॉर्मूला? 1000 यूज करना है ना. 1000 किलोग्राम पर मीटर क्यूब, क्योंकि वॉल्यूम मीटर क्यूब में गिवन है. सो डेंसिटी इज आल्सो इन मीटर क्यूब, दैट इज 1000 किलोग्राम पर मीटर क्यूब. तो देखो हमारे पास वॉल्यूम है, डेंसिटी है. क्या फाइंड करना है? मास ऑफ वाटर. मास ऑफ वाटर. मास ऑफ वाटर. What is the formula to find the mass? Density of water. Density of water into volume of water. Volume of water. And what is the value? Density of water? 1000 into density 8. That is equal to 8 1000 kg मास ऑफ वाटर आ गया मिस मास ऑफ वाटर से मुझे क्या फाइंड कर वेट ऑफ द वाटर फाइंड कर सकते हैं वेट ऑफ वाटर weight of water weight of water what is the formula to weight is equal to mg what is m mass of water I don't mass of water into g. What is mass of water? 8,000 into G 10. That is equal to 80,000 Newton. ये हमको ना ऐसे दिखता है ना साइंटिफिक फॉर्म लिख दो 8 into 10 raised to power 4 न्यूटन लिख दो बात है क्या ना देखो 1 2 3 4 0 से तो 10 raised to power 4 Newton. 8 into 10 raised to power 4 Newton. Clear? 8 into 10 raised to power 4 Newton. Listen, here the weight of the water acts where? At the bottom of the tank. That weight here it is called what? Thrust. That weight here it is called thrust. What is thrust? Thrust is the force. What is the weight? Weight is also force. Here that weight is called what? The thrust. So thrust is equal to I don't know. Therefore the thrust is equal to thrust is equal to 8 into 10 raised to power 4 Newton. ये हो गया thrust. The thrust का मतलब here force acting perpendicular to the surface. Where? At the bottom of the tank. At the bottom of the tank. Next we want to find pressure. Pressure is equal to what? Force by area. Which force? The force acting perpendicularly. What is the force acting perpendicularly? 8 into 10 raised to power 4. Next you have to find what? Area. Listen. What is the shape of the bottom of the tank? Square. Square होगा ना? Each side of the cube. What is the shape of the each side of the cube? Square. So what is the shape of the bottom of the cube? Square. What is the area of the square? Side square. Right on. Area of bottom is equal to side square. That is equal to what is the side? 2 square. What is 2 square? 4 meter square. Now pressure. Find pressure. Pressure is equal to force. You can also say thrust by area is also pressure. Okay? Force divided by area. Okay, what is the force? 8 into 10 raised to power 4. What is the area? 4. So 8 by 4. 2 into 10 raised to power 4 Pascal. What is the unit of pressure? Pascal. ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म फिजिक्स में ऐसे आंसर चाहिए हमको साइंटिफिक फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना ठीक है 2 into 10 raised to power 4 Pascal. So how much pressure is exerted by the water at the bottom of the tank? 2 into 10 raised to power 4 Pascal. This much pressure is exerted by the water at the bottom of the tank. At the bottom of the tank. Next question. A boat of mass 50 kg. A boat of mass 50 kg. A boat, BOAT, boat of mass 50 kg is floating in the river is floating in the river with 1/2 of its volume inside the water. With 1/2 of its volume inside the water. Full stop. Calculate the buoyant force acting on the boat. Buoyant force acting on the boat. Write in bracket G equal to 10 meter per second square. Yeah, 10 meter per second square. इसका मतलब the body is floating है ना, so buoyant force किसकी equal होगा? अगर weight of the body, है ना, weight of the body, because the object is floating, 1/2 of its volume that is inside the water, so इसका मतलब it is floating, so weight of the buoyant force is equal to weight of the body. Right on. According to question, buoyant force is equal to weight of the body. Buoyant force is equal to buoyant force is equal to buoyant force is equal to weight of the body. And what is the formula to find the weight of the body? mg, है ना, m into g. What is the mass? 50. What is g? 10. 50 into 10. फोर्स की यूनिट क्या होता है? न्यूटन. तो 500 न्यूटन. ठीक है, ये मत सोचना 1/2 ऑफ इस वॉल्यूम, तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. कंफ्यूजन मैंने दिया था उसमें. ठीक है, कंसेप्ट इतना है, इट इज फ्लोटिंग. सो buoyant force किसके बराबर होता है? Weight of the body. So buoyant force and weight of the body are equal. So buoyant force is equal to weight of the body. And what is the formula to find the weight of the body? M into G. Weight is equal to M into G. Next question. इसमें बहुत ज्यादा जीरो है, ठीक है, लिख दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 5 into 10 raised to power 2. ठीक है. Next, a cubical object of side, Aratya, Soumya, Devyansh Bhatti or Vadika, switch on camera. A cubical weight of side 4 centimeter. A cubical object of side 4 centimeter has fallen in a well. Full stop. If the mass of the cube is 2 kg, mass of the cube is 2 kg, then state whether the object will float or sink in water. Whether the object will float or sink in water. For this you want to find what? Density. Density find करने क्या formula? Density equal to mass by volume. So क्या पहले क्या find करना? Volume find करना है. So first find the volume of the cubical object. What is the method to find the volume of the cubical object? Side cube. Same formula जो अभी किया था. Volume of cubical object. Cubical object. What is the formula? Side cube. What is side? 4 cube. 4 cube. 64 centimeter cube. That is a volume. Next क्या चाहिए हमको? Mass. Mass given है? I don't. Mass of object. Mass of object. What is the mass of object? 2 kg. Next you can find what? Volume आ गया हमारे पास और mass भी आ गया. We can find what? Density of the object. हाँ ग्राम में कन्वर्ट कर दो क्योंकि एक यूनिट में दिक्कत आएगा फिर. 2000 ग्राम में कन्वर्ट कर दो. नहीं तो इसको मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट कर दो. नहीं तो इसमें ग्राम में इजी है ना. ग्राम में इजी होता है. 2000 ग्राम. 2000 ग्राम. Next item, density of object. Density of object. What is the formula to find the density? Mass of object divided by volume of object. And what is the mass? 2000. What is the volume of the object? 64. 64. For a 2 से cancel. 32. इधर आएगा 1000. Again 2. 60. Again 2 इसमें 500. और 2 इसमें 8. 2 इसमें 250. 2 इसमें 4. 2 इसमें 125. 125 divided by 4. So, 1, 2, 5. 31.25 gram per. And what is the volume of the, what is the density of the water? So it will sink or float in well? It will sink in well. It will sink in well. Right. Recently, though, the volume density of the object is more than the density of the water. So the object will sink in water. The object will sink in water. Next question. I don't know. एक important question, important type question है. एक अलग question, अलग type का question. I don't know. A ball is dropped from the edge of a roof. A ball is dropped from the edge of a roof. It takes 0.1 second. It takes 0.1 second. It takes 0.1 second to cross a window. To cross a window of height. To cross a window of height 2 meter. To cross a window of height 2 meter. Find the height of Either. Can I read the question? It takes. Sit on camera. Repeat the. Listen. I'm repeating the question. Listen. A ball is dropped from the edge of a roof. It takes 0.1 second, 0.1 second to cross a window of height 2 meter. Of height 2 meter. Find the height of the roof above the top of the window. Above the top of the window. Above the top of the window. देखो ये सिचुएशन है. सपोज ये रूफ है, बीच में क्या है, विंडो, और नीचे और भी जगह है इसमें, है ना. वही मैं ड्रॉ कर रहा पहले. देखो मत करना, रीजन पहले. Listen, this is top of the roof, and A is the A and B, the distance AB, that is the window. Here A क्या चीज है, window है, और B C. C is the bottom of the roof. C is the bottom of the roof. ये clear है सबको? ये O is what? Top of the roof. This is the bottom, and AB is what? Window. AB is the window. वहीं पर window है, बीच में एक window है, कर्टन है ना, ये window है. ये ऊपर वाला फेस, ये नीचे वाला स्पेस. ये ठीक है? मेरा सिचुएशन क्लियर है सबको? ठीक है? क्लियर? ठीक है? सॉल्व नाउ? ठीक है? क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है? A ball is dropped from the top of the roof. From the top of the roof. The ball is falling downward. And to cross this window, this A to B, the time taken by the ball is equal to 0.1 second. So what is the time taken here? Time is equal to, this is a time taken by the ball to cross the window. To cross the window. Not time taken by the ball to reach O to A. Only the time taken by the ball to cross A to B. And what is the distance A to B? What is the distance? Length of the window कितना? 2 मीटर. जो विंडो है इसका लेंथ है 2 मीटर है. ठीक है? The ball is dropped from the top, and what is the time taken by the ball to cross this window? That is equal to 0.1 second. What is the distance? 2 meter. Question में क्या फाइंड करना आपको? Find the height of the roof above the top of the window. ये height find करना है. Suppose मैं h लिख दिया, okay? ये height is h. ठीक है? So पहले हम listen. इसको situation ये तो first में लिख दे case from O to A. तो पहले हम क्या करना है आपको इस क्वेश्चन में? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द बॉल व्हेन इट रीचेस द पॉइंट A. At what speed it reaches the point A, that you have to find first. The first we have to find what? The speed of the ball at point A. At point A. So O to A, what type of motion it is? Downward or upward? डाउनवर्ड मोशन. सो डाउनवर्ड मोशन में क्या क्या लिख सकते हैं? फ्रॉम O to A. इसमें व्हाट इज U? 0. व्हाट इज G? पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव है? पॉजिटिव. 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. और टाइम हमको पता नहीं है, टाइम है तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? टाइम इज इक्वल टू T1 लिख देना. ये टाइम नहीं है, ध्यान रख दो. Yet this is the time taken by the object to reach O to A. The time taken by the ball to reach O to A. That time is T1. That time is T1. That time is T1. Clear है? Time is equal to T1. Time is equal to T1. Or distance S is equal to H. And distance S is equal to H. So which formula we can apply? H equal to UT plus half G T square. What is the value of H? H. U 0 plus half G. What is the value of time? T. Sorry, पहले हम ये फाइंड करना. Sorry, velocity फाइंड करना at A. What is the velocity of the object at A? ये find करना. Sorry, first you have to find the velocity of the object at A. देखो, so first you have to find velocity of the object at A. मैं लिख दिया VA. V is equal to U plus G T. VA find करना आपको. Velocity of the object at A. At what velocity it reaches the point A? That we have to find first. What is U? 0. G. T1. T is equal to T1. So what is VA? 9.8 T1. ऐसे छोड़ देना. 9.8 T1. So at what velocity it reaches the point A? Now listen. Now from A to B लिख देना. From A to B. नेक्स्ट केस कौन सा? A to B. A to B. At A, what is the velocity or what is the speed of the object at A? 9.8 T1. ये सेकेंड केस के लिए from A to B के लिए this velocity is what? Initial velocity. Is the initial velocity. So from A to B के लिए what is U? 9.8 T1. 9.8 T1. Or what is the distance S? 2 meter. Or time? 0.1 second. हम अभी कौन से केस है? A to B तक. डिस्टेंस देखो 2 मीटर. टाइम कितना है? 0.1 सेकेंड. सो सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू. कौन सा फॉर्मूला? S is equal to UT plus half G T square. What is S? 2. What is U? 9.8 T1 into T 0.1. देखो U की वैल्यू है 9.8 T1. ये पुट कर दी मैं. U की जगह पर ये पुट कर दिया. फिर T की वैल्यू व्हाट इज T प्लस हाफ G 9.8 into T1 0.1 square. 0.1 square. So 2 is equal to 9.8 into 0.1. 0.98 T1. 9.8 into 0.1. That is equal to 0.98 T1. 2 cancel किया तो 4.9 into 0.1 का स्क्वायर 0.01. So 2 is equal to 0.98 T1 plus 0.049. ना 1 2 3 डेसिमल है. देखो 49 में 3 डेसिमल लगाया तो 1 2 3 0.049 आता ना मैं सबको. ठीक है, इधर शिफ्ट कर दो. 2 minus 0.049 equal to 0.98 T1. ये माइनस किया तो 1 1.951, ठीक है, is equal to 0.98 T1. So T1 is equal to 1.951 divided by 0.98, अप्रोक्सीमेटली आएगा 1.99 के आसपास आएगा. अप्रोक्सीमेटली लिख सकते हैं आपको, ये काम करते हैं 2 सेकेंड लिख सकते हैं अप्रोक्सीमेटली, ठीक है. 1.99 आएगा इसमें. अप्रोक्सीमेटली क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 सेकेंड. अप्रोक्सीमेटली लिखते हैं ना, T1 इक्वल टू 2 सेकेंड. इसका मतलब what is the time taken by the T1 क्या लिख रहा है? T1 is the time taken by the object to reach O2A. So at what time it reaches the point O2A? 2 seconds. But क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा था? हाइट. कौन सा हाइट है? h. So वही फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो. h is equal to ut1 plus half gt1 square. h equal to what is u? 0 ना, O2 है ना. T1 2 plus half g into 2 का स्क्वायर, ये कैंसिल. So h is equal to 4.9, 2 का स्क्वायर 4. h is equal to 19.6 meter. h is equal to 19.6 meter. क्लियर है? So what is the value of h? 19.6 meter. ये पूछा था क्वेश्चन में. क्लियर है? स्टेप्स क्लियर है? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ध्यान से फिगर तो ड्रॉ कर लो. बताइए, क्लियर?